What is this, like 1976 before Carter took over? Check out this line. I guess everyone's got a fuel up. This man over here just bought a grill. Check it out. Nice grill. I guess to do some cooking if the power is out. Check out those buggies. A woman loading up about 10 cases of water. Might as well just put the whole buggy in there.
He's got a propane tank he's going to sell.
This young man has got a propane tank, ready to fill her up. And we have the gasoline lines. Yeah. Here's the line to get in. We have been waiting since 6:25ish. And a lady pulls up to my left side over here in a white vehicle and says, "Sir, do you mind if I brake in front of you? I left my groceries in the parking lot." I'm like, "How the hell do you leave your groceries in the parking lot?" Well, she didn't. She cut right in here, right in there, and stuck a line of gas, I suppose. I don't know. Cray.
There's somebody with gas jug.
So here we are. Shelby, you said it took you 10 minutes to fill a tank of gas up.
Yeah, I came at 2 o'clock.
Right now I'm at empty. Well, I make it. Price is $2.07 here. You go just right across the street. It's going to be $2.15 by $7.11. 10-cent jack up today.
See, look, nobody goes down to those other ones. They think it's a line because those cars are there when really it's not.
A woman's got her a tank. Perhaps she's going to use it for some gas or maybe to start a fire or maybe arson or something. Who knows? But that's just, And look at this young woman. I mean, I guess she's just backed up in here, maybe sitting watching some videos on YouTube, perhaps. The Avenger, he wants in. And their entranceway over there. That's where I'm going.
Yeah, that's where I went.
I could care less. I'll stretch that thing across. Oh, wait.
Because there's 3 lanes and those are only in line for 1 lane.
$83 degrees. 6:30, 5-minute line so far. Just trying to get in. Say 3, 4, 5, 6, probably about 15 cars in there. Another 10 or 15 on the other side. Cars right here waiting to get in. Perhaps I have my tail sticking out. And more lines coming into Walmart. Gasoline or candle, lighter, definitely smokes, for those of you people that smoke cigarettes. Oh, there's the other line, straight ahead of us. So that's why Avenger's going in here, because that line's jacked up. What am I going to drive around and go on the back of that line?
No.
You see what I'm saying?
I didn't. That's not ready.
Woman's got a back problem here. I mean, maybe she just leave her car parked over there? No, she's either getting in her van or a van of a stranger. I don't know. But good luck to her. Obviously, everyone's heard the word. The Category 4 is on its way. Matthews. This guy's on the phone and wearing a green shirt. Not sure. He's just backed up, but he's ready to go.
His gas thing's on this side. That's why.
Well, I don't really care. No gas. Is that what that says?
Yeah. I guess for that lane.
What lane?
The one that they're in, I guess, or that. Look, cut around and go to that lane. I don't know what this guy's doing, But look, that car, that Toyota, you can get in right behind him.
This one?
The Toyota to the right. Yours is on this side, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. I'm good like that. Car stretching across the other way. Want to make sure we fill her up. Anyway, be back for some more action. It's 6:33 so far. 6 minutes. I'm almost 10 minutes long now. You've been hearing that all day. Hank, 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 Hank. I don't know what that's all about, you know.
Look, the Avenger has a mini on his car.
Yeah. It being outside shape, boy. Oh yeah, you said Avenger right there. Minion, yeah. Well, obviously we see. Does everyone see the Avenger here? Right there, right there, right there, somewhere. Well, obviously they do have gas. Is that my mom over there? Almost looks like her 10 years earlier, doesn't it? Alright, I guys got a sleeve for a tattoo. Just remember where the fire extinguisher is if it breaks out chaotic around here. This woman just walk out of Walking Dead or something? Is everything okay, man?
Like
wow. She's like, oh my God, I forgot the candles. I've got to go back to Walmart. It looks like that gentleman in the SUV is finished up. Getting back in his vehicle. Camry will be up next. Wonder where Mama Dukes went to get her gas. Took 35 minutes. Yeah, they should have told. She should have said how important she is around there and who she knows. You shouldn't have waited in line like that. She's Mama Duke. Woman or man coming out here? Boom. Get ready to go. Yep. Alright, nearly at the pump. Now you get so close you can smell the fumes. You smell that like, oh, inhale the gasoline. Who? Oh. Oh, that one over there? Oh, yeah, the Mercedes wagon. Yeah. Alright. We shall end this vlog and go to the other one.